Hey, people, how are you? Um, I have a few new subscribers. That's the first thing I wanted to talk about. Thanks for your viewership. I hope you enjoy the retro programs on this channel. Um, thank you for subscribing. There's a lot of information exchanged on this channel, especially in the dialogue boxes. So I encourage you to check out as much as you can and ask questions. We have a lot of people out there, who, you know, who have other resources beyond this channel that contribute to this channel. So if I can't answer your question, they usually will. But to get on with it, um, for those of you who don't know, this is called Tales of Suburbia, and I've ported it to a pcopy format to make it run faster. So we're going to start up stage 2, and I'm keeping the volume at a kind of a low level here because what happens is that the speaker is so close to the microphone. I only have a laptop here. It sends feedback to the microphone in addition to the emulator sounds, and it makes it way too loud, and I can't talk, and it's just way too loud. So I'm keeping the music at a minimum in the background. So what we have here is an enhanced version. For those of you who already know this game, I've filled in this area here and also down here so that we get a type of silhouette effect. This is extremely low resolution graphics, but with the silhouette and the 3D type of objects on the screen, it's believable that these are pretty good graphics. This is almost Nintendo 8-bit quality graphics, almost, but you can tell it's on a computer. Computer games are always very distinguishable from any other game, any platform games on a gaming system. So we're going to explore around here, and so I can interact with objects on the screen. So we're looking at this mirror, for instance, and the music will come back and play if I do not move the character for 10 seconds or so. We'll get the music to come back. There's a different theme song for each room. So we're in Billy's bedroom here, and so it's just your bed. We're looking at the bed. Now we go over here to the dresser, and the thing that I want to make sure, actually this is not all programmed in yet. It's kind of a premature video. I forgot that I didn't do the boundaries yet for the hallway, so these doorways activate on a button. So if I were to leave this room, I can't get back in because I haven't. The hallway works on a different routine. So we're not going to go out there yet. We are going to go over to the dresser. It says, it's your dresser, search it. Yes, we're going to search the dresser. It says, you found the lock combination. And now there's a substantial pause so that the gamer can read what they found, and we get a score increase. We are going to, and if anybody's wondering, this is a fishbowl up here. We're going to go out this door, and I just did this yesterday. I programmed the doors in yesterday. So here we're in the hallway, and I'm just going to increase the music a little bit so you can hear it when it does play here. We're going to go over here. Now, what I was saying is we cannot go back. This would be going back into the bedroom, and this would be going to the living room, but that is not programmed in yet. So we're going to take a walk into the bathroom here. And we have a bunch of stuff going on here. And we're just going to look around. It's just a toilet. It's just a sink. It's a sink. We're okay, guys. We're in the bathroom, and you can see this silhouette. Excuse me for one moment. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Now, when the music's playing, I can't move the character because of the Tira CD 1 and 2 has a doesn't have video. It doesn't have music chip support separate from the BIOS or the basic chip. You know, it just has a video chip and a processor. They don't ask me why they didn't put a separate music chip in there, so it can't run simultaneously. This is the best I could do with this hardware. So we're going to go over here, and it's says the shower rod seems to be down. Do you want to pick it up? This should say it, not IP. So obviously that's I got to fix that. I'm going to say no right now. I don't want to pick it up. And Green Sleeves plays. In the bedroom, it was, I don't know, there's a different song for each room. We're going to go back out into the hallway, and I'll tell you what song this is. This is, For Elise by Mozart. Alright, we're going to go in here, and this is the sister's room. So I wanted to model this game after it's a clash between Maniac Mansion and King's Quest. So if I press S, it tells me what my score is. If I press I, it tells me what my inventory is. So I have a model rocket, a lock combination, a green key, which I'm not supposed to have yet. You know, I'm not done with the program, so it's a little, there's bugs all over the place, but you can have a whole bunch of items here, and you use them and they go away. The goal of the game is to you actually start off outside at a hobby shop. If you look at way down in my previous videos, I have some footage of that before it was changed to P copy to make it faster. So you start off at a hobby shop, and you have to figure out how to purchase this model rocket, and then you come back home and you're in the house, and you have to figure out how to get out of the house into the backyard to launch the rocket. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, let's see if we can go back out into the hallway for a minute here so I can explain this. So what I'm going to do here is expand this to make it a true full-length game, or at least try to. We're going to have not an upstairs, yeah, you know, I'm the only one who's contributing to this game. I don't have anyone to collaborate with. Otherwise, we could get a lot more done. But there's so few people out there with Tira CD knowledge, and the ones that are around out there are just so far from me. There's just no way. Otherwise, I would make a second floor. There's obviously room for a second floor up here, but I not on this screen, but somewhere, maybe on the next screen, or maybe on this screen. I don't know. I'm gonna have an attic, and I think I'm gonna make this area, or maybe a small area like this. Yeah, yeah. I don't know if I'm, because there's another part of the hallway. This hallway is very long. It goes from here to here, and then you go over here, you come to the second part of the hallway, and there's other doorways, and then you go into the living room, which is down on actually on a video that I posted not too long ago that shows the living room and some other things. So we're going to have an attic, and I'm thinking of it's going to be pitch black up in the attic, and so you have to find a flashlight or something to find something in the attic. And we're also going to have a kitchen, a backyard, and not a basement. Like I said, I don't have time for that. But there will be a kitchen, probably an attic, and a backyard in addition to everything else you've seen. And that'll be the whole game, and you have to figure out how to navigate through it. So I think we were in the sister's room. Go in there, and now we're going to look around in here, and it's actually Susanna. I'm going to look around in here. I believe I did this. So it's your sister's bed. We're going to go over here. Obviously, I should put a poster on the wall or something. The other one has a fishbowl, so maybe I'll put some kind of poster on the wall or something. We're going to go over here. It's only a dresser, so we can't find a lock combination right here in our own dresser, but this one doesn't open, so we'll try the nightstand. I don't believe that the Billy's room had a nightstand that had a mirror. So it says, well, you know, I wasn't supposed to do that. It's supposed to be locked. So I'm kind of giving away the game here. It's supposed to be a locked dresser, a locked nightstand. I mean, so I don't know why that came up as unlocked. So let's see what I would have to look into the code to figure out that problem. But this is why I make these videos. It's to debug. It's a good way to look for mistakes. I'll have to look at the code and figure out what's going on there. That's supposed to be a locked dresser. So I'm going to break out of this program and hopefully somebody out there you know, gets some sort of enjoyment from these videos. I have fun making them. I have as much fun making them as I do creating the actual program. So I'm just going to end it here. And again, to my new subscribers, thank you. And stay tuned. And don't forget to ask questions, post comments, things like that. We try to help each other out around here when we do have questions. You know, to keep it, you know, everything running in TRS-80 world. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back on the next one. Take care.